Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fabulous MINI Countryman 1.5 Coupe Sport. Now this vehicle has currently done 50,290 miles and it's finished in the colour Moonwalk Grey with the contrasting black roof and door mirrors. It does come with 4 previous MINI services. It's an incredible looking vehicle. It sits nicely on 18-inch John Cooper Works alloy wheels. You do have daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. You also have power folding door mirrors, which you can fold in by holding the lock button. They automatically unfold when you unlock the vehicle. Taking a look inside the boot, you'll find 450 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,390 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your very stylish black cloth interior with the contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front, you'll find your leather-wrapped multifunction John Cooper Works steering wheel. Moving around to your John Cooper Works Sport front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right, some controls for adjusting the infotainment system. You've got your instrument cluster here with a display which provides you access to your average speed, average fuel consumption and digital speedometer. In the centre of the dashboard, you have your infotainment screen. You can control it using the dial and buttons here in the centre console. It is also touchscreen, so you can use it either way. The system has access to DAB and FM radio. There is also Bluetooth connectivity as well as USB input for playing your own music. On your communication page, you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have Apple CarPlay, so you can easily pair your iPhone up, make hands-free phone calls and texts and use compatible applications on the system. You have your MINI Connected here with your MINI Assistance and MINI Messages. You also have your My MINI where you can access vehicle and system settings. Here you also have your vehicle status. Here you can see information such as your tyre pressure monitor, engine oil level, as well as the vehicle's service requirements and recorded service history. You can see the 4 previous MINI services recorded there. Pressing on the service will show you what exactly was carried out. Moving on. The system also features navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Also on the system, you have access to your front end collision warning system, keeping you super safe while you're on the road. You can also adjust the sensitivity of it here. This MINI also comes with front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below the display, you have your dual zone automatic climate control. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. Below your air conditioning, you have your start-stop switch, traction control and a switch for your parking sensors. Underneath this, you have your USB connectivity as well as a 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders and your 6-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console. Throughout the interior, you have the ambient lighting with a whole selection of colours to choose from. They light up in your doors, around the infotainment system and in the footwells as well. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.